Back working on this bike today. Left off after I got the stuff. I got to play with it a little bit. I didn't get that much time. I gotta put it on some wood while I do it. So we're gonna get this accomplished hopefully today. Stay tuned for that. So basically we're about to go over how to solder these wires on these handlebars. You need the solder gun and then the little piece of metal or aluminum, whatever. Then you get your wire. So I want them to sit on top of each other like that. And then you can see that little metal that's like shiny around. You just weld it together and then you use a heat shrink right here and cover it up. So we're gonna try to do this right now. This thing was just smoking right now. It's hot. You can see, got a little better. A little second run. It's kind of messy, but we're getting it together. And we got our first one done. You see how we got the shrink wrap on there with the heat. Then you can still see the lumps of metal, so you know it's still together. Everything is burned and tied together. So that is exactly what we want in the game. We gotta do the rest of these now. So we got the yellow one. You see how we got the weld on there. I'm not the best. This is my first time trying this. After this, we're gonna slip this on there and cover it up just like that. Let's keep going. So we got one, the connector, well, two of the connectors. Got this one done, the first one I did, red. And we got all these right here done. Got them soldered and with the heat shrink. So this connector is fully down. We're gonna just cover these wires up. Now I'm gonna redo these ones right here and this last one, then we'll be done. Man, we are finally fucking done, dude. Sheesh, all this tape. So let's show all the work I've done. So it's one connector. We got the red ones on the one side. These are the other red ones I've done right here. These are all tight, you can pull on them. Then we got the black ones right here. Got all those heat shrinks with the soldering. So now we're gonna plug them up and try to give it a start and see if the fuse busts or not. I ain't gonna lie, this is lucky kind of pissing me off. So I just connected all four connectors, got everything connected. And still I put the fuse in, immediately popped the fuse and you can still see the red light beaming. So